Users begin by securely signing in with Microsoft Entra ID authentication. Once inside, they are presented with a clean and user-friendly left navigation menu, where coffee machines are organized by category for easy browsing. As users explore the available options, they can select one or more machines for comparison. The Compare button updates dynamically to show how many machines have been selected, while conditional formatting highlights premium or higher-priced models, making them easy to identify. On the comparison page, users can view the selected coffee machines side by side, along with additional details retrieved directly from the database. At the same time, the approval request form is automatically populated with the relevant information. Users can review and edit the form before submitting it for approval. Finally, the application displays a confirmation page, notifying the user that the approval request has been successfully submitted and the process has been initiated. This solution demonstrates how Power Apps can deliver a secure, intuitive, and efficient approval experience from product selection to request submission.